Lara, it's me. Could you come down, please? I have something to tell you.
I'll be right down.
Hi, Maya. I missed you. I missed you too, dear. Let's take a walk. I have something to tell you. What is it? You know that I need a music video for my song, right? Yes. And you could not afford the production without a sponsor. Well, I decided to make the music video myself. How? I can create it with AI. Technology has gotten so advanced that it's totally possible now. That's a great idea. Are you planning to take lessons? I've heard great reviews about this new creative AI course at AUST. I've heard about it too. I was thinking about registering myself. Oh my God! We can work on it together. You can design the wardrobe. I'll dress you like a pop star. What would you use AI for as a fashion designer? Well, I was thinking about creating a virtual fashion show for my collection. That's smart. AI would give me the freedom for endless refinement. Do you want to go with me tomorrow to register? Sure thing. I'll pick you up at 10.
So this is the project that we are proposing. The completion time for this project is 3 years.
Good presentation, gentlemen. However, the tower is a large project. We need more proof that this approach would work best for us.
Mr. Karim, if you can give us some time, we can prepare a virtual construction of the project that would address all your concerns.
Yes, that would be helpful. You have 1 month.
We will be ready, sir. Firas, I have thought this through. I think I have a way to enhance our tower presentation.
What do you propose?
We can use AI to improve our visualization tenfold. I just enrolled in the new creative AI course at AUST University.
That's a good idea. You have my full support. Keep me updated on your progress.
This is the last day to register. I hope there are still some vacant seats.
Yeah, I hope so. Welcome to AUST. How can I help you, ladies?
Hi, we would like to register for the creative AI course, please.
Of course. Fill out these forms, please.
I'm going over the course outline. It seems to be very comprehensive. Yes, they even have music production with AI. When does the course start, miss?
We start on Monday, dear.
Thank you. I'm so excited for the course. I like the curriculum. It covers so much. I have so many ideas in my head for the music video. Wait till you see the outfits that I'm preparing for you. Oh my God, I can't wait!
We are going to be covering the entire creative AI curriculum. So generative AI is not just about creating text, it's also about creating images and videos. And it's being used in a variety of different fields, including healthcare, finance, and entertainment. It's being used to create everything from short films to advertising. You can even create your own music videos with AI.
This is exactly what we need.
Hey ladies, did you work on the assignment Mr. CK gave us last time?
Yeah, I think we solved it. What about you?
Solved it too. It was a fun project.
Yes?
Hi, Mr. CK. Could we have a moment of your time, please?
Sure, girls, come in.
Sir, it's about the project you gave us. We were wondering if we could work on it as a group, Lada, Samir, and me. Our project would be a music video for a song that I wrote.
I have no problem with you working as a group, provided that each one of you would fulfill all the project requirements.
Of course, sir, and we will be showing you our progress all throughout.
Very well then. Go ahead and start. First draft due on Monday.
Let's take a few shots of you in the cafeteria. Yeah, the lighting is nice here. These are great.
hi, guys.
Hey, sir. Sir, we wanted to show you our progress for the music video project.
You're on the right track, guys. You just need to vary the locations and work on the lip sync. Otherwise, good job.
Thank you, sir. Hi. I'm calling for an appointment with Mr. Adam, please. Yes, my name is Laura.
Yes, Miss Laura.
Thursday at 11. Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I have to make this work. You know what? I got an appointment with Mr. Adam today. The fashion house owner? That's great. I want to show him my collection, but I don't want it to be ordinary. I want to impress him. I know what you're thinking. Yes, I'm going to use AI for the runway show. I want my designs to come alive. Show them what you got, girl. He doesn't expect me to show him a collection on the runway. I'm going to have the element of surprise. I'm sure you will. What do you think, LaRouche? Do I use the black or red outfit in the shot? I would go with the black one. It's more striking. Yeah, I think so too.
Girls, I just sent you the concert stage.
Thanks.
Hey, Maya. I worked on some set designs for your music video.
Can I see?
Yeah, I mean, I know they're not perfect, but what do you think?
Oh,
What?
I don't know. I don't really like them. I'm just kidding.
So baby, can we try again, try again, try again, try again?
Let's try adjusting the parameters.
Like this?
Yes, exactly.
Wow, that's perfect.
This is really impressive.
Mr. Karim, we created an AI visualization of the tower project for you. This should address all the concerns you had previously. Gentlemen, we can now move forward with the tower project.
We are glad it met your expectations, Mr. Karim.
Samir seems to be running late.
Oh, there he is.
Sorry for being late. Bad traffic.
It's all right, dear. Guys, I have a surprise for you. Oh yeah? What is it? I stayed all night yesterday working on the music video until I finally finished it. That's wonderful news. When can we see it? Tonight. I want you both to come over. We will watch it together. I can't wait.
Happy for you, Maya.
Hey, Maya. Hi, dear.
Hey, Maya.
Thank you. Guys, I can't wait to show you the final music video. I hope you'll like it like I do. We will love it. Put it on. Are you ready? Yes.
Yes.
You're a good girl, you made me feel like I was someone. Now we're on a fun high. You're a good girl, you feel like I was someone. Now we're on a fun high.
I am proud of you, Maya. The song and music video are amazing. Thank you, dear. I couldn't have made it without you. Thank you too, Mr. AI Pro, for the wonderful sets. I uploaded the music video to YouTube. Do you think people will like it? It's a great song. People will love it. What about you? Your big meeting is tomorrow, right? Yes, I'm meeting with Mr. Adam tomorrow. I hope he likes my collection. I'm sure he will, dear. You are very talented. Thank you, Maya. I put in so many overnights working on it. When he watched the show, I felt the space between doubt and belief begin to close. After all the noise in my head, one sentence made everything right.
The job is yours.
In that moment, it felt like every sleepless hour had a purpose.
Today, we have a special testimonial from 3 students. They did an outstanding job this semester, and I asked them to share their experience taking the course with us. Maya?
Thank you, sir. This class has been life-changing for me. What seemed impossible before became reality. I learned that anything is possible now. In just a few months, we were able to create a music video and even design a children's storybook. I'm so grateful.
Laura?
As you guys may know, I am a fashion designer. Creative AI allowed me to embrace new technologies that gave my work the edge I needed. As a result, I was able to land my dream job because of this course. So thank you.
Welcome, Laura. Samir?
Hey everyone, as a visualization architect, taking the Creative AI course was a total game changer for me. It is a fantastic way to learn these emerging AI tools at such a critical turning point so we can all stay future-proof.
Thank you, guys. I am proud of all of you. You are now fully prepared to tackle any audiovisual challenge that comes your way. Now go out there and conquer the world.
Hi, this is Maya.
Hi, Maya. I'm talking to you from BYU Music Productions. We saw your music video on YouTube. We wanted to ask you if you'd like to be part of this year's Beirut Summer Festival.
Yes, of course, I would love to.
Great. I'll set up an appointment for you with Mr. Zach, the general manager, tomorrow at 4 p.m. at our head office.
Thank you. I'll be there.
We liked your music video, Maya.
Thank you.
How would you like to be one of the performers in this year's Beirut Summer Festival?
I would love to.
Do you have any other songs?
Yes, I just finished a new one called Love is in Flames.
Beirut, are you ready? Tonight, we have a special guest for you. She's beautiful, smart, and talented. Everybody welcome the rising star, Maya! I don't care what the neighbors say. I'm not sleeping for the third night today. You are wearing my ring and my name, but that won't matter anymore. Love is pain, each memory a tiny grave. They never told me love is pain. My love is in need. You can't always meet like dust in the wind. Where do I begin? My love is in flames. You can't always blame like dust in the wind. Where do I begin?
Thank you so much, everyone. Tonight we have a special occasion. Let me hear you give a big shout out to the graduating class of 2026 at AUST University. You guys worked so hard. You deserve all the best. Wishing you all the success, love, and happiness in the world. Good night, everyone.
So how did your meeting go, Lara? It went great. I got the job. Taking the creative AI course was so worth it. What about you, Samir?
We got the tower project. I even got a promotion.
That's great. I'm so proud of you guys. Hi, thank you for watching our short film. Most of the characters you saw in our story are fictional. In fact, they were all generated using AI. What do you mean, Maya? Am I AI too? It's hard to believe, right? The creative AI courses at AUST University provide aspiring filmmakers, designers, and musicians with advanced training using the latest AI technologies. Registrations are now open. Pass by the AUST campus or visit our website for more information. Bye now! So we're AI, huh? Everything looked so real. You'll get over it.